Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty. I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket just so I could always be near. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time, I hope you wait and see. Love you every minute every second. Love you everywhere in any moment. Always and forever. I know I can't quit you, 'cause baby, you're the one. I don't know how. Love you till the last of snow disappears. Love you till a rainy day becomes clear. Never knew a love like this. Now I can't let go. I'm in love with you, and now you know. Try so hard when you play ball with your friends. I like the way you hit the notes in every song you're shining. I love the little things like when you're unaware. I catch you steal a glance and smile so perfectly. Though sometimes when life brings me down, you're the cure. My heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have.
Happy Mansari, Mommy and Daddy. Stay strong. Sana magtagal kayo. Kung mag-aaway lang, walang maghiwalay. Happy Mansari ulit sa inyo.
Happy first monthsary, Mommy, Daddy. Daddy sa fem-fem lang ni Mommy ha. Love you. Mwah!
Happy first monthsary, Mommy and Daddy.
Ayan. Congratulations both of you and happy first monthsary sa inyong dalawa. Sana magtagal kayo.
Happy first month, sorry Mami Ana tsaka Daddy Kent. Stay strong sa inyong dalawa. More months are to come and years and decades. Stay in love with each other. Yan lang.
Happy Mansari, Ana and Kuya Ken, and I hope na na nandyan kayo lagi para sa isa't isa. And syempre, dapat para sa akin din, bunso ako eh. Hayaan nyo na si Chin, si Thea, basta nandito kayo lagi para sa amin ni Jeka at ni Kuya Felicia. Tapos ingatan nyo yung isa't isa, and I hope na yung mga yung mga konting asaran walang mapupunta sa pikunan, kasi tanga ka pag napikon ka, di ba? Tapos stay strong and magkita na kayo sa personal at mag-asawa na kayo kasi matanda na kayo eh. Yun lang. Happy Mansari again.
Happy mot sa inyong dalawa, Ana and Kengo. Sana tumagal kayo. Sana kada away nyo, magbati kayo. Sana lagi pa rin kayo sweet. Sana hindi magsawa yung pagmamahalan yung dalawa. Yun lang. Peace.
Happy Mansari nanay and tatay. I love you so much. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo is magpakatatag kayo. Then lahat ng problema, away, tampuhan, okay lang yan, normal lang yan. Then sana magtagal kayong dalawa. God bless. I love you so much. Mama Chup Chup.
Hi everyone! Happy first Mansari! Stay strong and sana tumagal pa kayo. And for Ken, sana ikaw na yung magstay kay Ana. Oh my God. And kay Ana naman, sana magstay ka na rin dyan. And sana wishing na kayo na talaga yung magkatuluyan. Kasi nakikita ko namang swak kayo sa isa't isa. And pag kay Ken, pag sinaktan mo si Ana, ang tingin talaga kita. Sabi ko sa'yo. So, yun lang. Enjoy your day. Love you both.